Wow, this is basic operations of database: create, insert, select, update and delete data. So in order to understand how this works, please watch the full video. How to create a database, how to create a table, how to insert data to the table, how to select data from the table, how to update data from the table. So you should be watch the full video. This is the database created. From this database, the table is created. Under this table, this is the attributes of the table. This is the primary key. To understand more, please watch the full video. Hello everyone, how are you? I'm fine, thanks to God. Now today I will show you how to create a database, how to insert data to the table, how to create a table, how to visualize data from the table or from the database, how to update data to the table, and how to delete data from a given table. So just you can use SQL Server as a laboratory tool. Microsoft SQL Server you can download and install from Google on the original official website. You can follow basic steps how to download and install Microsoft SQL Server. I have one video about this basic steps and how to download, install and start your training. All the basic steps are included in this video. You can download or you can watch or visit this video. Just when come back to the today's session, just click connect after you download or install this software. You can now click this new query to start your laboratory. This is the workspace how to create a database. So create a database. For example, student. I have many types of created in the previous 1, 2, 3. So student 4. This is student 4 is my database name. Use this student 4 as a database. Create the database. Yeah, complete successful. Use this database. Execute. Yeah, already successful. So the next one is create table. How to create a table? Create table student batch, for example 2030 or 40 or 2021 batch. Under this, open bracket and give the attributes of the table. For example, student ID having a data type of varchar having around 20 characters to write this student ID, and the attribute is a primary key. Then the next attribute is fname and having a varchar data type, varchar having around 20 data, and the next one is last name, lname having varchar data type, having around 20 data or characters. Then the next one is it maybe have the GPA having a data types of float, and it may not need the size of the float size, right? So the next may be mobile number, and it may have a string data type because it includes the country code plus sign, so it is a varchar data type having around 20 characters. Then finally you should close the bracket. After executing, select and click the execute button, you can create table student. You know space between this, so you can use underscore character or symbol here and execute. Yeah, successfully completed. When we visualize this table, there is no data because it is we have not inserted any data yet. As visualization, select all from student 2021 batch. select and run this one. Execute. Yeah, this is only the column names are here because we haven't inserted any data. So how to insert the data? Use insert into student. Which batch? This batch student. Use this. Sorry. Okay. Student name using varchar. In order to insert the varchar data, you should use the quotation mark. Under the quotation, student maybe str 2021 /1, the first student, by the way, comma. Then the next one is the fname. It is also varchar data, so you should be include in insert under quote the data. The first name may be Abeba, for his father name, under quote Abebao, or Abebao Bakala, under quotation comma. And the next one, the GPA, there's no need of quotation. Without quotation you can write 3.59. And the last one is using quotation, his phone number or mobile number plus 251-918-0018 under quotation. Then when we execute this line of query, there is a mistake in correspondence to this. Yeah, need of semicolon, I think. No, what happened? Yeah, sorry, you should add values keyword here. Then when we execute this line, one row is affected. And when we visualize this one, select all from student 2021 batch. We'll have one row of record. Yeah, this is inserted data. So in order to modify this, you use update keyword, update, because when something is mistake is happened here. For example, his GPA may be 3.59, not 3.59. His GPA may be 3.65, for example. So in order to update or modify this data, you use update student table. This one set GPA they equals to 3.65, for example, from 59 to 65. Where his str id is equals to what value? st 21/1. Okay, this student's GPA should be changed from this 59 to 65. When we execute this line of command, yeah, one row is affected. And when we visualize this, select all from student this batch, we will get, yeah, his GPA is changed 3.65, not 3.59. Yes, so we can add another student by copy this and insert the paste here. We can change his name to his student ID, and his name may be Magarsa Gashaw, for example. His GPA may be 2.95, and his phone number may be changed to this value. When we execute this command, and when we next add this, visualize this table, yeah, we have two records or two rows. I will prepare one video about the theoretical concepts of row, column, record, data, entity, attribute, even table database, which is larger concept, which is the minimal concept. I will prepare one video, so you should be subscribe and follow my channel. So in order to delete a table as a whole, a table normally database cannot delete it. You can modify by or hide using different techniques, database operations. So by the way, you can modify more and more. For example, his name, his first name, last name also, and also maybe you can select each attributes based on your need. For example, select GPA, select all from what? Student 2021 batch, where GPA greater than what? GPA greater than 3.0, for example. You can select, yeah, this guy is only 3 greater than 3 value 3.65. The second one he is 2.95, so he is under 3. So in the selection process this student may not select as a candidate for job requiring or for other selection process. This guy only have greater than 3 value. This is another technique, and you can do a lot of operations using this database operational techniques or operations. Delete, create, insert, select, update, and delete. You can use this for operators or keywords in order to modify or do many operations in database. This is the main operation: create, insert, select, update, and delete. In the fundamental concept of the database, on the first introduction to database, here this is a basic keyword. So for today's class, thank you. As a revision, this line used to create a database. Use this database and create this table. Under this table, you insert this match attribute values to the table of one individual characteristics of some object. In Java or other programming language, this student 2021 table is represented as a class or having a different attribute values. Okay, then after creating the table, you can select values from the table. In order to insert the values or records to the table, use this insert into student this value command or query, and then select again update to modify the values at any entity values of the table. You can use the update command, and also insert again, and also there is a delete command to delete someone from the table. For example, this guy department or batch is not matched to this table, so you can delete this guy from the table. Yes, thank you for today's video. Please share, subscribe, like the channel. Thank you again and again.